Welcome back to another writing class. I'm thankful and I'm very happy to express myself. Few of the parents, many of the teachers, they all have acknowledged and they have sent messages to me. Thank you for this fourth set letter video. That helps most of them understand few of the small letters which are used for cursive handwriting. So all my appreciation for all those parents, all those teachers, of course my dear students who are following this writing video class. Today I'm back with another interesting few important things which we have to remember when we try and learn this cursive handwriting. As I've already expressed few of the things of the capital letters, small letters in my previous video, you can kindly check St. John's Tenali YouTube channel. Many of the English videos, many of the motivational videos, and now the writing videos are available. You're free to learn anytime because we are here to make you learn and we are here to take this wonderful education forward, moving ahead. Now, this cursive hand, I said beautiful handwriting. Cursive hand makes us write better, faster, it is easier. Our learning also will be better when you write cursive hand. Our memory also gets better. So many advantages. If anyone say, why only cursive hand? So these many advantages. When so much of learning is happening with cursive handwriting, why should we sit back? Why should we not learn this? I have also learned. When I have joined St. John's, my writing was isolated letters. I was not joining the letters, but I have learned because I have to teach my students. When I have learned as a teacher, it is easy for everybody to learn. Students will learn. Today I am going to present few of the LKG, UKG, first class, second class. They are all going to show their beautiful handwriting in today's video. Before that, I would like to use the board today. Next time, I will show, maybe some of the people think it's easy to write on the board. Maybe big letters we write so that it is very clear. But when we write on the notebook, how is it? Some of the parents must be thinking that. Don't worry, today is only the board. My next video will be only in the book. One, in copywriting book, 4 lines, as I said. 4-line practice helps us to learn correct size of the letter, helps us to learn correct formations. Then we can come to the broad rules or the single rule, double rules, your wish. Most of us will write on the single rules and also most of us will write on a white sheets. White sheets also without lines, how we can beautifully present our handwriting. So let us start looking at the board. First, I would like to clear few doubts with regard to capital letter writing in a copywriting book. So copywriting book, as I said, we'll have 4 lines, a thick line, a dotted line, and a thick line. This makes one unit. One more I'll write so that it's easy. A thick line, a dotted line, a thick line. This copywriting lines, how can we write capital C? Most of the people get this doubt. As I said, capital letters we should write. Make sure that capital letter doesn't touch up line but slight gap. It is not going to be clear that gap. Unless you will see that small gap. So you can start writing C, capital C, not touching, you can observe. This is your capital C. is your capital G. This is your capital P. Doesn't touch. This is your capital R. This is your capital B. Is it clear? You can pause the video, go get your copywriting book, your pen or pencil and continue checking with this. So some of the letters I just mentioned how to go in a copywriting, and also few of the letters last time I have written on the board, especially few small fourth set letters, because we do have small letters in our print, textbook print. If you might have observed, in textbook print usually B will be like this. In fourth set B will be this. In cursive hand, our letter B, this is useful because this will not be able to have a joining. Same way, if you can observe the print, you will have small k like this, capital K like this. But in cursive hand, capital K is this and small k is this. That is the major difference. In same thing, usually B, K and also R. In print you will have R like this, but in cursive hand R is this. These are the simple differences. If we can learn, that's why I have given the small set, fourth set letters for our cursive hand. So when it comes to, suppose if we have to write W-R-I-T-E, if you want the W to be the capital letter, this, and if I am going to write W-R-I-T, never join the capital letter with the small letter, but you can start writing W-R-I-T-E. We start writing, but we don't put our pen down. It goes on and on and on so beautifully. So write in the same way. Suppose small word, if I'm writing with a small k and K-I-T-E, if it has to be written in a copywriting, K-I-T-E, kite. That's how we need to make, and the sizes, shapes, formation, all this matters in our cursive handwriting. The formations come only when you learn the fourth set letters, small letters, because every letter has joining. One more important word which is difficult also, C letter, C-O-O-K, cook. So when you have the C, joining comes from here. If it is a capital, there is no need of joining capital, you can just go with cook. Don't join. A capital letter need not be joined with the small letter when you write together. These are some important aspects of how to join the cursive hand letters, that writing letters, fourth set letters, to make a beautiful words. So these words make up the sentences. So how these words can be written? Capital letter, never join with the small letter, slight gap, start writing. Small letter, you can continuously. And these are the capital letters which have to be written in the 4 lines. This is a very important rule of our handwriting in the cursive hand. And today I'm going to present few of the students. They will write neatly in their notebooks. Few, not all, all will write, but few I will present to you. And in my next concluding video, I will show how you can write in 4 lines, how you can write in single ruled line. So try practicing. There is nothing impossible for you. If you think you can change your handwriting. Keep learning. Make your writing beautiful and better. Be blessed. Have a nice day. Hello children.
Hello, Madam.
Good afternoon children.
Good afternoon, children.
How are you?
I am very good.
Wow, that's really good. These are LKG. What is your name?
My name is Amanda.
Wonderful. What is your name?
My name is Ayana.
Oh, that's really good. What is your name?
My name is Sherry Reddy.
Jared. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Pujita.
Wonderful. Children, are you writing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Right. Let me see. These are LKG and UKG and they are doing their pencil work and beautifully they are writing. So, Charit, what are you writing? This is a book. You can write, yeah. This is
A book.
a book.
This is a book.
Yeah. Ah, yes, good. With lot of concentration. Beautifully you are joining the letters and writing. That's really good. Complete, Charit. Okay, what is this girl's name? What is this girl's name? Your name?
My name is Amrita.
Amrita, you're writing your words nicely. Continue, Amrita. Right. I'm able to see nicely. Can you show what is the first word?
First word is F for fish.
Oh, you're writing now F-I-S-H, fish.
Yes.
Okay, apple, completed. Boy, completed. So nice. This is 3.5-year-old kid with cursive handwriting. Yes, boy. You have written so nicely. Very good. What is your name?
My name is Ayana Shah.
Harsha. This is really good. Harsha. Ayan. Very good, Ayan. Very good. So you completed your sentence? That's really good. This is a book. Very good. And girl, Pujita, let me see what you have written. Oh, show me. This is a book. Very good, children. Look at me once. Thank you all.
Thank you.
You can say thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, madam.
Okay, what class are you, boy? Are you G2A or B?
Great.
G2B?
G2B teacher.
Very good. Your handwriting is very nice, boy. Your teacher has given you a star and a smiley. That's really good. Forms of water. Very nice. What class are you?
First class.
Very good. What is your name?
Ishwar Chaitanya.
Ishwar Chaitanya. Your handwriting is so beautiful, boy. You practice nicely in the home and in the school also. Do you practice? Say yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Very good. Your handwriting is very beautiful, boy. All appreciation for you. Okay? Say yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. And girl, what is your name?
Lasya.
Lasya, what class are you?
Second class.
Very good. Lasya, what did you write? A story?
Yes.
Once upon a time, there lived a king. Kind king. That's really good. Beautiful girl. Your handwriting. Very good. Is it English story?
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. Hey boy, what is your name?
Nandan Sai.
Nandan Sai. What class are you?
Second class.
Second class. Which section?
C.
Very good. Let me see your handwriting. Oh, this is really good. Nandan Sai. Very nicely you have written. Okay? Good children. So do you enjoy writing?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. Thank you. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, children. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, very good. So, may I know what is your name, boy?
Nishant.
Nishant. What class are you?
Third class.
Oh. And girl, what is your name?
K. Nainasri.
What class are you?
Fourth class.
That's really good. What is your name, girl?
Ma'am, my name is Vivekini, ma'am.
Oh, what class are you, girl?
G5B, ma'am.
G5B, that is class 5B. Okay, I would like to, your teachers have sent you to me saying that you practice your handwriting well and your notebooks are so beautiful. Can we have a look at your notebook? Okay,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
shall, yeah, thank you. We shall start with fifth class girl. Let me see your notes. Okay. Your notebook. Oh, you have written so beautifully, girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's really good. And now shall we see the third class boys' notes? Ah, that's really good. Where is your pencil writing? Because third class, you have a pencil writing, no? Show me your pencil writing. You're writing with the pencil. Okay. 1 minute. Oh, already you have written. No, let me see this. Ah, that's really good. How much time you practice, boy?
1 minute.
That's really good. So, a minute, a line. Okay. Yeah, and how about this girl? Oh, so beautiful girl. How much time you practice, girl, your hand?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. That's really good. You have written so well. Good. Good.
Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
yeah, most welcome, boy. Most welcome. Then, shall we look at how you write these things? Shall I see how you are writing? Can you start anything from your textbook? Anything, whatever you feel like. Can you just start writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Ma'am, last page, right?
Anywhere you can write. Your wish. Anywhere. That's really good. You all write so well. Third class boy. Good. Fifth class girl. Divya. Neatly you're writing. That's really good, children. I'm happy that you practice nicely every day, one page of your copywriting. Look at me, say hello to everyone.
Hello, friends.
Say we enjoy writing cursive hand. You can say we enjoy
We enjoy
writing
writing
cursive hand.
cursive hand.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name, boy?
Chetan Avinash, ma'am.
Chetan Avinash. You're here for your good handwriting. That's really good. What is your name, girl?
Anna J. Hepzibah Helen, ma'am.
Hepzibah, what class are you?
G7B, ma'am.
Okay, Chetan, what class are you?
GHC, ma'am.
Wonderful. What is your name, girl?
Sahasra, ma'am.
Sahasra, what class are you?
Grade 8A.
Grade 8, yay. So let us start with Chetan. Chetan, can you show your notes to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let me see your notebook. So do you enjoy writing, Chetan?
Yes, ma'am.
Or is it your teachers force you?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you enjoy writing. Very good. Very good. You are leaving a line between a word nicely. This is good handwriting. Good. Keep it up, Chetan.
Thank you.
And Hepzibah. Oh, that's a good cursive handwriting.
Thank you, ma'am.
So how much time do you practice, girl?
15 minutes, ma'am.
15 minutes? That's really good. Sahasra, can
Hello,
I
ma'am.
see your notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is really good, Sahasra.
Thank you,
A
ma'am.
visit to Cambridge. Is it English?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why. English notes, and then you're writing the answers, the meanings.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, do you enjoy writing cursive hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you write letters to your parents or friends?
Yes, ma'am.
During pandemic, were you writing anything during pandemic? Have
I'm writing letters to my friends.
Oh, that's really good. So, away from your smart devices, you are making the best use of your good handwriting and writing things. Okay, thank you, girls. Thank you, boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, children. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
That's really good. What is your name?
I'm Lakshmi Pallavi, ma'am.
Lakshmi Pallavi. What class are you?
Grade 10A.
Grade 10 years. So, you're writing board exams now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What is your name?
P. Dhananjay Reddy, ma'am.
Dhananjay. How are you, Dhananjay?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. What class are you, Dhananjay?
Grade 7B, ma'am.
Oh, 7th class. Good. Hello, girl. What is your name?
My name is B. Yashita, ma'am.
Yashita. What class are you?
I'm grade 10A, ma'am.
Grade 10 years. So, you're all preparing board examination, completed some of the board examinations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yashita, is today mathematics revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that is why I can see the maths books with you. Let me see how you present maths. Oh, this is really good, girl. You use red pen for all the problems, and for a solution you use blue. Good, good, good. Very neat. That's really good, Yashita. Good handwriting. Keep it up. Dhananjay, what is your notebook, Dhananjay?
Social CW, ma'am.
Social classwork. Very good. During pandemic, were you writing in the notebooks?
Yes, ma'am. I followed online class also,
You
ma'am.
followed all the online classes and you completed all your notebooks. So, on an average, every day, how many pages do you write, Dhananjay?
Ma'am, I will write 5 or 7, ma'am.
5 or 7 pages per day. That's really good. You can just keep your hands normally. Don't worry. Yeah. Yes, Pallavi, you are doing maths revision today?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Pallavi, very nice. So that you have taken little time to show to our all the students and parents how you write your maths and how you maintain your mathematical classworks so beautifully. You have put the numbers also.
Thank
How
you, ma'am.
much? How many pages on an average usually 10th class children write?
10 to 20, ma'am.
10 to 20 per day.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Is writing boring?
No, ma'am.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you enjoy cursive handwriting?
Yes, ma'am.
Does it help you learn
Yes, ma'am.
better?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if you learn something without writing, is there a difference between you write and learn and you don't write and learn?
Yes, ma'am. There is a difference.
Lot of difference?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you write and learn, the learning is better.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can I just look at how you are writing? You can write anything. You can turn the pages on white sheets. And let me see how a 10th class child can give a stroke of writing. That's really good. Dhananjay, would you like to show some of your writings?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you start writing, you don't lift your pen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because of cursive hand, nicely you'll finish the word and then you lift the pen.
Yes, ma'am.
That's really good. Yeah, Yashita, what are you going to write? Some mathematics?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to write.
Okay, yes. So is cursive handwriting is faster? Can you write? Can you complete a line quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's really good. That's wonderful. So it is really good to have you here, children.
Thank you.
And showing your handwriting to the whole school is a wonderful opportunity. Thank you. All the best for your examinations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.